Here's Dad's workshop, busy making custom masks for Encore Staging. I asked him to do it in navy blue and with an insert. And here is the filter, and this piece of fabric is also a filter that he's going to have inside. So I'm so excited. This one I adjusted to fit around my little tiny head. I just did that, and it's such a perfect fit. I can't wait to get a bunch of these out to my clients and to my family. So Dad cannot mass produce. He is not a machine at this age. He's making them just for me. I feel so special.